In Maricopa, Arizona, homeowners enjoy year-round sunshine and plenty of natural light. But with all that sun comes one major downside: UV damage. Ultraviolet rays streaming through outdated or untreated windows can cause fading, discoloration, and long-term wear on your home's interior. Flooring, furniture, artwork, and even your walls can lose their vibrancy over time. Fortunately, modern window technology offers powerful solutions to protect your interiors without sacrificing the beauty of natural light. Understanding UV damage in Maricopa homes. Arizona's desert climate means sunlight is strong almost every day of the year. While natural light makes homes brighter and more inviting, too much UV exposure has consequences. Fading of fabrics and upholstery, sofas, rugs, and curtains lose color quickly. Damage to flooring, hardwood, vinyl, and even carpet can bleach or weaken. Artwork and photos, pictures, paintings, and keepsakes deteriorate when exposed. Interior heat gain. UV rays also contribute to rising indoor temperatures. In Maricopa, where sun exposure is particularly intense, the need for UV protection is greater than in many other regions. How modern windows block UV rays. Today's energy-efficient windows are specifically designed to filter sunlight, allowing brightness in while keeping harmful rays out. Low-E coatings. A thin, nearly invisible metallic layer reflects ultraviolet and infrared rays while letting visible light pass through. Multi-pane glass. Double or triple pane windows with inert gas fills improve insulation and reduce UV penetration. Laminated glass. Includes a protective interlayer that blocks up to 99% of UV rays. These features help create a comfortable home environment while preserving your interior finishes. Preserving your home's beauty and value. Protecting against UV damage isn't just about comfort. It also preserves your home's appearance and long-term value. Long-lasting furnishings. Fabrics, floors, and furniture maintain their color and condition for years. Protection for investments. Prevents costly repairs or premature replacement of materials. Enhanced resale appeal. Buyers in Maricopa appreciate homes with modern, UV protective windows that keep interiors looking like new. By installing the right windows, you protect not only your belongings but also your financial investment in your home. Added benefits beyond UV protection. Modern windows do more than block ultraviolet rays. They improve your home in several other ways. Energy efficiency. Reduced solar heat gain lowers cooling costs, a major advantage in Maricopa's desert climate. Comfort. Even temperatures throughout the home eliminate hot spots near sun-facing windows. Noise reduction. Multi-pane glass also helps reduce outside noise for a more peaceful home. Aesthetics. Modern designs offer stylish frames and finishes that boost curb appeal. This makes window replacement a comprehensive upgrade with benefits you'll notice every day. Why professional installation matters. To enjoy the full UV protection benefits of modern windows, professional installation is critical. Proper sealing. Prevents air leaks that compromise efficiency. Accurate placement. Ensures maximum effectiveness of low-E coatings and glass technology. Code compliance. Local experts know the building standards and climate demands in Maricopa. Warranty protection. Professional installation preserves your product warranty for long-term peace of mind. Working with experienced installers guarantees that your windows will perform as intended for years to come. Final thoughts for Maricopa homeowners. Protecting your home from UV damage is a year-round concern. Sunlight brings beauty into your space, but without modern window technology, it can also bring costly wear and tear. By upgrading to modern windows with low-E coatings, laminated glass, and energy-efficient features, you can enjoy the benefits of natural light while keeping your interiors safe from fading and heat. Investing in these windows not only preserves the beauty of your home but also improves comfort, reduces cooling bills, and increases resale value. With professional installation, your Maricopa residence will stay cooler, brighter, and better protected against the desert sun for years to come.